Okay, Assalamualaikum class. So this is our first week 2 tutorial or lab for ISP565. I have an assignment announcement for you. This is our my last class with you. After this, um, one if I'm not mistaken, it will be Puan Umu Fatihah will take over this lab from me due to some adjustment in our timetable. I have a new subject to teach. Then this subject, my class with all of you, with the three groups, 5A, 6A, 6B1, and 6B2, will be given to is either Dr. Hamidah or Puan Umu Fatihah. Okay, so for this week, I will give you some introduction on this book and also on uh, the first part of this book. Okay, so this is this book. Kalau awak beli, dia akan ada dalam Google Play. Okay, Google Play. Kalau and then you go to books and go to your library, then you akan dapat jumpalah buku yang awak beli tu. Okay, so if you have any dapat daripada lain pun is up to you, but it's a compulsory to have this book for our lab. Okay. So the first part of this book, actually this book was written by Professor Madya Dr. Shuzlina and Professor Madya Dr. Sofianita Mutalib is a lecturer from Shah Alam. So then this book begin with some introduction, okay, and uh, it's a very simple book. It contains 69 pages, 59 pages, 59 muka surat sahaja. So these are introduction. If you look here, dia kata this module offer a simple way yet interesting approach in applying data mining tools such as Wakaito Environment for Knowledge and Analysis or WEKA. So WEKA is stand for Wakaito Environment for Knowledge Analysis. Okay. It's an open source machine learning software. Open source, based on open source, is free. Okay, the practical hands of the tool and techniques for machine learning used in data mining is described step by step in 5 modules. So for each module, a description about the topic is given for a better understanding. Inside, you will learn about preparing the data cleaning, modeling, and results evaluation. So bukan sekadar, it's the complete process for prediction actually. Okay, the module ends by providing a checklist activity and common errors that you may encounter. Okay, the case studies are demonstrated from different sources of data set using features offered in Weka. So the module would be a good source for hands-on instruction to machine learning algorithm with no extensive background in mathematics required. So this book is an accessible introduction to this rapidly growing industry and suit for any students and researchers looking for a simple predictive analytics exercise. So it's a very simple book as discussed in its introduction. Okay. So it's an acknowledgement. Okay, so these are the beginning. So kita akan tengok first it begin with the description of data mining. So this part you will learn in a lecture with Dr. Hamidah. So kita tengoklah sikit apa dia cerita pasal apa data mining. Kena ingat satu benda, saya ulang banyak kali dalam semua kelas saya, data mining actually is a process. Proses, bila sebut proses, apa yang kena ada dalam proses? Proses mesti ada input, proses output. Itu orang computer science mesti cover. You must understand, bila sebut computer, you have to give input, baru dia boleh proses and you dapat output. So data mining, what is the input? The raw data. What is the process? The process of learning by machine learning algorithm. Okay, and what are the output? The information, the insight of the data, what are happening, what was happening, what will happen, why it was happen. Okay, so apa proses apa analyzing hidden pattern within large data set in order to discover useful information which are collected and assembled in common repositories such as data warehouses. So Analytics ada banyak analytics. Ada four analytics you have learned previously. There are four types of analytics. Antaranya descriptive, predictive, prescriptive, and one more. One last thing is diagnostic. Okay. Descriptive biasanya kita buat during data understanding. Data understanding phases where you summarize and find the similarity between the data. Understand the data. What are the trend the data? Descriptive kita dah cerita previously. It talks about what has happened. Apa yang telah berlaku. So data understanding, then you do some analysis, then baru you boleh buat apa berlaku, apa yang telah berlaku. Predictive, you nak tengok apa yang akan berlaku. You want to classify, you want to estimate apa yang akan berlaku berdasarkan past historical data. And prescriptive, you want to look why it was happened, what to do now. Okay, kenapa, macam mana kita nak buat. Oh, okay, so kat bawah ni dia ada cerita pasal type of analytics, the purpose, question, technique, types of data used. Okay, so boleh zoom tak? Search. Okay. So kata kat sini dia kata descriptive analytics to understand the situation and take the opportunity. Question what happened in the past. Technique you boleh, even descriptive you boleh guna data mining, tapi biasanya orang guna statistical analysis je lah. Type on the data, structured data with table format. Okay. So boleh baca ni. And tepi ni dia cerita pasal why data mining. Sebab kita discover patterns and relationship for better business decision. And example of applications, there are some example. Boleh baca juga. Later you can read by your own. Even we have done it previously during the subject ISP620. And you dah buat dalam ISP642. Okay, so phases, the methodology. Bila sebut proses, dia mesti ada method cara nak buat. Proses masak nasi, apa dia? Apa step by step untuk masak nasi? Buka api dulu ke baru ambil beras? Tak. Mesti ambil beras dulu, letak dalam periuk, basuh. The step by steps. Sama juga dengan data mining. Bila awak sebut awak buat data mining, text mining, there must have a step by step how to do it. So, dalam data mining yang biasa digunakan ialah Clips DM. Yang ini sepatutnya dah hafal, awak dah tengok kali ketiga ini. ISP642 awak dah tengok Clips DM ni. ISP610 dah tengok juga Clips DM ni, dah masuk soalan final semua. Kali ni tengok lagi. So ada 6 phases semua sekali. Kenapa saya nak ulang juga pasal ni, sebab Clips DM ni selalu students or the applicator atau siapa-siapa lah, dia terus jump kepada phases ni, modeling. Essentially note, the most crucial part in data mining is business understanding, data understanding and data preparation. Itu yang paling crucial. Sebab first business understanding, awak nak kena tahu apa sebenarnya masalah dia. So ini phase dia. Determine business objective, produce project plan, business success criteria. So untuk awak punya case, kalau if you are doing FYP, mungkin project plan tak ada. Tapi first step, you have to determine the business objective. Nak cari apa sebenarnya, apa masalah dia sebenarnya awak nak cari. Then data understanding, kebanyakannya awak dah dapat initial data kan. Awak kena describe the data, explore, verify the quality of data. So explore ini adalah part of the descriptive analytics. Okay, so bila sebut explore adalah part of the descriptive analytics. Dan baru you select data. You tak buat terus select data yang mana. Kita ambil sahaja data, sebab semua data, tak semestinya semua data yang awak akan guna untuk buat something, untuk buat you punya prediction, buat you punya data mining project. Tidak. Sebab data you ada, you get the system. Contoh you dapat sales transaction. Sales transaction ada semua benda. Ada customer info, ada produk, ada date, ada time. Adakah dia is it necessary to have all those data? Okay. Then next ialah data preparation, select data, clean the data, construct the data, integrate the data if it is necessary. Dalam buku ni, dia tak ajar juga sebab business understanding and data understanding is bukan satu step by step yang kita boleh letak tulis dalam buku. You kena buat ini first, tidak. Bergantung kepada business problem data yang awak dapat. So awak tengoklah mana-mana video, they will skip on these two phases, business understanding and data understanding. It will go straightly to data preparation and modeling. Kenapa? Kerana setiap problem, setiap businesses may have a different problem, and each of the businesses may have a different data. Dan juga kadang-kadang data yang awak collect tu masalah sama, tapi yang ni dapat collect data yang ini, data collect macam mana, and so on. Okay, dan barulah you buat modeling and evaluate the result, review process, determine the next step, and deployment. Barulah you buat final report, you want to deliver apa you dapat, the insight of your data to the business problem or business owner, problem owner, pemilik problem tersebut. Okay. So ini antara a very good yang ini and very good presentation on what are the algorithm that can be used based on each of the data mining techniques. Okay, so kita tahu ni adalah data mining techniques, clustering, association, regression, prediction. Okay, so ini adalah clustering technique, and these are the suggested dipanggil apa, algorithm or machine learning algorithm that can be used in performing this technique. Okay, so tab ni dia cerita pasal apa? Kalau awak tengok kat sini, ada column dia cerita pasal continuous and categorical. Okay, and yang ini adalah supervised and also unsupervised. Okay, so kalau tengok kat sini, continuous and categorical ini adalah jenis data yang boleh digunakan. Madam, apa beza antara continuous dan categorical? Okay, contoh data tinggi, height of a human. Continuous bila awak letak nombor satu, the real numbers, 165, 150 cm, 100, itu adalah continuous. Categorical, bila you put it in a category, tall, medium, short. Itu semua ataupun petit. Tak bagi short, bagi petit. Itu semua adalah ni lah. Dan untuk teknik, untuk continuous, awak boleh buat prediction tapi hanya menggunakan algorithm ni, decision tree dengan random forest, or you can use regression. Kalau you nak pakai categorical, you boleh guna juga decision tree. Ada sesuatu decision tree boleh guna. And you boleh pakai k-nearest neighbor, logistic, naive bias, SVM. Okay. So maksudnya apa? Data yang predicted label tu adalah categorical data. And it is a supervised learning. Apa beza dua ni? Supervised and unsupervised. Supervised ni adalah how your machine learning learned. How your machine learning learn. We know that to perform data mining ataupun to do the process, you need a machine learning algorithm to perform the process. So the process happen by the algorithm will learn, belajar mengenai data kita, data yang kita provide. So macam mana cara those algorithm belajar? Ada dua cara, sama ada supervised or unsupervised. Okay, ada dua cara. So untuk tu kita sambung next video.